going to show you how to create your own text to audio application using Tkinter and Python. It is a very simple application that enables you to convert your Word document, your PDF document, your text file into an audio MP3. Okay, so let's get into that. So before we get into that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to get more content like this. So let's get into it. So what this does is you can click on the select button and it's going to help enable you to select. So in this case, I'm going to use a text document. I'm going to hit open. Okay, conversion is completed. So you can download it. Okay, so I'm going to save it to sample output doc. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to go to my local computer. I'm going to hit play.
I like being able to turn lights on and off while away from home. I have had a lot of fun with this thing. My 4-year-old learns about dinosaurs. I control the lights and play games like categories. Has nice sound when playing music as well. I received the Echo as a gift. I needed another Bluetooth or something to play music easily accessible, and found this smart speaker.
All right, that's a pretty simple application. All right, so let's get into the code and see how it works step by step. Okay, so first thing first, you go into a terminal, you pip install Python docx, okay, and we import ttinker as TK for convenience. You import the file dialog and the message box for file selection and display messages, the PDF2 for PDF files, the docx for Word document, and the PyTTX3 for text to speech functionality. All right, so we are going to take it block by block. So we define a function called the convert to audio, which is called when the user clicks a select file button, it opens a file dialog for the user to select a PDF, a Word document, or a text file. So based on the file extension, it processes the file content accordingly. So for PDF, it extracts the text from each page. For Word document, it extracts text from each paragraph. Okay. And for text, it reads the text from the file and is stored into a variable called the text. Okay. And if it's not supported, the document is not supported, it creates an error and it displays unsupported file format. Okay. So the text is then converted to an audio using the PyTTX3 engine and saved as an MP3 file. The status label is updated to indicate that the conversion is completed and we exit and the exit button are enabled. Okay. So let's get to the next function will be we create a function called the download audio. Okay. So the download audio function is called when the user clicks on the download audio button, it opens a file dialog for the user to select the download location and specifies the default extension MP3. If a download location is chosen, the function uses the shut-il model to move the output audio file from its current location file path to the selected download location. Okay. So the next block is the exit app function. So it is called when the user clicks the exit, it displays a message box asking the user if they want to exit. If the user selects yes, it destroys the main window, effectively maintaining terminating the application. Okay, so we move on to creating the main window. Right, so we create the variable called a window using the TK constructor from Ttinker. It sets the title to a window of the window to the text to audio converter. Okay, and we create a button for file selection. Right, so this block creates a button widget with the text select file and associates it with the convert to audio function. The button is added to the main window using the pack function method and the vertical padding of 15 pixels. Okay, and we move on to the next one. We create a label for the status. We display the status. So this block creates a label widget with an empty text. The text is added to the main window using the pack method. This label is used to display the status of the conversion process. Okay, and we create a button for downloading the audio. Okay, so we create a button widget with the download audio and associate it with the audio download audio function using the lambda function. The method is initially displayed state is equal to the tk dot disabled and is added to the main window using the pack function method. A vertical padding of 10 pixels is applied here. So we move on to the next one is create an exit method, exit button. And so the block here creates an exit button widget with the text exit and associate it with the exit app function. So the method is initially disabled, set with a white foreground color and a background color of red. It is added to the main window using the pack method with a padding of 15 pixels. So the last block of code is so the window.main loop starts the main event loop of the application with continuously listening for the user interactions and update the window accordingly. So this helps loops the this loop keeps the application running until the user closes the window or exit the program. Right? So if you want to exit the program, you just click on exit. And do you want to exit? I say yes. Right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next one.